Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Today I am going to share one of my happiest moments with you all. Yes guys, we bought a new car few days back. On the same day, I had prepared special meal for my dear family to share our happiness. Okay, let's start. We decided to buy a car and we ordered for a car a month ago. But the day before purchase the car, my husband suddenly told me that our car is ready in the showroom, so we have to go tomorrow to buy it. I was not expecting it and I was so excited to go there. So next day morning I woke up very early because I need to finish my cooking quickly and get ready to go to the car showroom. I thought today I would make a special meal and dessert for my family, but I didn't have much time to buy anything from the store. So I decided to do all the cooking using the ingredients available at home. I had chicken and goat brain in the freezer, so I planned to cook chicken curry and brain fry. As a dessert, I had prepared Gulab jamun because they are super easy to make and yummy. Okay, let's begin with Gulab jamun. First, add 2 tablespoons rava into the small bowl. Add some water to soak it for a few minutes. Next, into the bowl, add 1 cup of milk powder. You can use any kind of full fat milk powder. Add 2 tablespoons butter. Add soaked rava. Add half a teaspoon baking powder. And add 2 tablespoons wheat flour. Mix everything very well. Now adding milk into the milk powder mixture until it all comes together like a soft dough. Then knead the dough for a few seconds. Cover and let it rest for a few minutes. Next, let's make the sugar syrup. Add 1 cup of sugar, add 1 cup of water, add 2 to 3 cardamom and some rose water. Stir the syrup and bring to a boil on a low flame. After a few minutes, add some lemon juice to prevent crystallization. Once the sugar has dissolved, take some syrup in between fingers and if you feel sticky, remove it from the heat. Now the dough is ready. Divide the dough into small size balls. Apply oil on the palm and roll each piece into a smooth ball. Make sure the balls are smooth and have no cracks. Heat the pan, add some oil. Take the jamun balls, drop it in the oil. Keep rotating the Gulab jamuns with a spoon and fry them until golden brown. Once they are done, remove from the oil, then add into the warm sugar syrup. Cover and keep aside until heat. Next, let's make a brain fry. Add goat brain in the wok, add some salt and water, bring to a boil for 15 minutes. Remove the foam from the boiling water. This is my chicken curry. It's done. Let me check the brain. Okay, it's done. Take out and cut into bite-sized pieces. Then dip each pieces into the beaten egg and coat it with breadcrumbs. Make sure the breadcrumbs coated evenly in the brain pieces. Drop it in the oil and then flip to both sides to ensure proper frying. Once the pieces turns golden brown, remove it from the oil and transfer it to a plate. Now time to make masala for brain fry. Heat the pan. Add the same oil which I had used for brain fry. Add sliced capsicum, sliced onion, tomato, some salt, curry leaves, chili flakes, pepper powder, chili powder and cumin powder. Mix them very well and cook it for a few minutes on a low flame. Once it cooks, add brain pieces and cook it for 2 minutes. Always cook the masala completely before adding the brain. Okay, it's done. Turn off the flame and serve it. After having lunch, we went to the showroom. Finally, we reached there. He is our dealer. We had to speak to him about all the formalities and he explained everything to us. My daughter was eagerly waiting to see the car. Finally, the dealer handed a piece of paper to my husband to sign it. After finishing all the formalities, we went to the delivery area to take the car out. This is our new car, looking very nice. He greeted us and then we all went back to our home in our new car. It's amazing, sunroof makes a car look a little classier. My daughter loved this car because she told she wanted a sunroof car. She was very happy and we were also very happy. It's best time to eat sweets. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my upcoming another interesting vlog. Until then, take care. Bye.